Okay, that's really good energy because, being the second last is a bit challenging. Maybe everyone would be sleeping already by this time, but it's really good to see that everyone has been having a good time and it's been a really, really good day. But yeah, I'm Eldrige de Melo, so I'm here today to represent SHARPNAV. This is a Finnish space startup. Very, very interesting work that we have been doing for the past few months. You might be asking yourself, okay, what are these guys doing? We are in the business of providing precise navigation and timing, whatever the condition. The way that we started our company actually was based on a university study. Initially, we were just analyzing the jamming and spoofing activities that have been happening quite a lot in the Nordics and the Baltics region. And we were thinking maybe we should start working on something to mitigate this because it started getting really, really serious. And the main thing that we would talk about is the change in the geopolitical scenario. The only thing that we did not know is just how much that was going to change in the coming months. So what we have started doing was to develop a SDR, a software-defined radio, basically to receive signals from any GNSS or constellation like GPS, Galileo. But on top of that, also this SDR is able to receive signals from satellites like Starlink, OneWeb, or any other constellation. And what we do with this SDR is provide precise positioning and resilient positioning that can withstand any sort of jamming and spoofing activity. But things have started changing, and one of the things that a lot of people have been saying throughout today about the startups is that we need to be agile, we need to adapt, and we sort of should focus where the market is. With the change in the geopolitical scenario, we realized that we should aim higher. So, aside from developing the SDR, we started designing a LEO PNT satellite constellation. And the reason for that is because we realized that although Europe has Galileo, we still rely a lot on GPS, and we cannot solely just depend on GPS for us to be able to provide our services and applications. And that's why we decided to start developing our LEO PNT satellite constellation. So that's what we have been doing. So far, we have started sort of engaging with different stakeholders, collecting the requirements so that we can actually have a solution that fits the precise needs. But this is now talking a little bit now about the defense market. We are also looking to the commercial market, mainly for indoor positioning applications. We want to tap into the opportunities and this untapped potential that we have for indoor positioning. So this is a bit of how we are designing. We are innovating on a lot of things. One of the ways that we are innovating is sort of how we are designing our LEO PNT satellite constellation in terms of clusters. We have applied for a patent as well, so we have been innovating quite a lot in terms of our constellation. But one thing that I wanted to share then is our very ambitious roadmap. So what we aim to do by the end of this year is to have the prototype of our satellites ready. We want to launch 2 to 4 satellites by the beginning of next year, and start then testing this, validating these applications with 2 customers that we have already been signing some agreements with. But then the end goal is that by 2029 we will have the full coverage with our LEO PNT satellite constellation. So, a lot of interesting people here. If you are interested and if you want to join us on this amazing journey and you want to revolutionize the way that people use navigation and timing services, feel free to contact us, and you are more than welcome to fund us as we embark on the next very steps of our company. So our team, we are 4 co-founders, all PhD students from the University of Vasa, and we have been basically working together for more than 2 years now, but our company is quite young, about 8 months. So it's a very short presentation about SHARPNAV, and I know that we have been having a lot of good conversations today, so I won't extend too much. Thank you.
Thank you.